Hello there and welcome to Geek Shaves. I have a razor for review for you. It has to be one of the razors that I have most consistently been asked to review. So here we go. It is the Gillette Sensor XL. Now, the reason this has been the most requested is because I refused to do it. It was a very simple reason for why I was refusing to review this razor, and that's because I could only find it on Amazon. And basically, I don't like buying off of Amazon. I don't like their business practices. But I have basically run out of razors to test, and I have regularly been asked to review this. And again, on my most recent video, I was asked to review it, and I thought, do you know what? I need to give the people what they want. So I sucked it up and I bought it off of Amazon. So here we go. We got the Gillette Sensor XL. Now the interesting thing is, I didn't know this when I was buying it. It says the two Sensor XL blades and one Sensor 3. So it appears, and looking at the top, that the blade attached to the handle is a Sensor 3, and then you've got the two-bladed razors here. So I guess I've got more than one video out of this. I will change the head to start with, and I'm going to review the Sensor 2, as that's the one that I keep getting asked about, the Sensor XL. So let's have a go at this, shall we? So we've got a bit of growth. Let's open it up. So, cardboard, nice and easy to remove here. So that's a plus. I have also noticed in my feeds, the sensor range seems to be making a comeback in Europe. So I suppose it's quite a good time to do this. Loads of plastic we can put in the bin. Let's have a look at the handle, shall we? So it's got a nice, lots of rubbery grip, so you're not gonna lose it. It's not very heavy, it's quite lightweight. So look, we have pivot action on here. This one's the 3-bladed. I did say I'd do a 2-blade first, so let's get the cartridge out. I wonder if it will fit. Yeah, doesn't quite fit, but I'll leave it there for now anyway. So it's got the push button actuators to move it. That's how it opens. Click it in. Oh, have I broken it already? Oh, it's not. I think they're stuck in. Oh, what sort of geek am I? I'm trying to fit the blade upside down. No wonder it won't fit. There we go. So, note to self, if you're having trouble fitting the blades, maybe you've got it upside down. I feel proper stupid about that. So, let's get back to it. So, we've got Gillette printed on the back here. I would have preferred a bit of a weightier handle than this, but I'm liking the grip. So we'll have a look at the blades themselves. So we've got 2 blades, they're spot welded. Looking at the back, I can see the spring-loaded actuators. So if you push on the blades, they do deflect a bit. You've got your lubrication strip, and you've got your skin puller rubber bar. So as far as I can see, I think this is most likely going to give quite a good shave. It's got the movement. I don't see why it won't give a good shave. I've had plenty of 2-bladed razors give a good shave, so we'll give this a wet up. A little bit of shaving substrate. There we go. Clean off the mouth region. Got wet hands. Just give the razor a little wash to start with. That will help to activate the lubricating strip. So far, so good. There we go. Yep, making light work of this. It's drying out already. No tugging. Just a quick it's giving a really good shave, guys. And girls. See, now that's where two-bladed razors win as far as I'm concerned. None of this faffing about with a reverse trimmer strip or reverse edging strip. You can just get in under the nose. And we're done. Give it a quick once over, pat off. And we are sorted. So there we go. The older Sensor XL two-bladed razor gets a thumbs up from me. Does well. You don't need to spend lots and lots of money for lots and lots of blades. Cleared it out. Good shave. I can see why everyone was pushing for me to give it a try, and quite glad I have now. So good razor, and if I can see why Gillette will have started to push this out a little bit harder again. Their intellectual property and patents on the Mach 3 have now expired. This had been expired, so it was worth whilst they were around pushing for the Mach 3, but now everything has expired on that front. I can see why this is making a resurgence again, because it's a very good razor. And there we go. So hope you enjoyed that. Please remember, like, subscribe, you know, the normal YouTube stuff. But also, just remember to like shaving.